Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you how to do live photos on Android step by step using the camera's built-in motion or live photo features. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the camera app. You can find it on your home screen or inside your apps drawer. This is the main tool we'll use to take a live photo. Step 2. In the camera interface, go to the photo section. This is usually selected by default, but if not, swipe through the modes to find it. Now, position your camera on the subject you want to capture and tap the shutter button to take a live photo. Your phone will automatically capture a few seconds of motion around the photo. Step 3. If you prefer using motion mode, locate the motion icon at the top of the screen. It may look like a small circle or a play symbol. Tap on it once to activate motion photos. This lets your phone capture short video-like images with sound and movement. Step 4. Now, hold your phone steady, frame your shot, and press the shutter to capture. The motion photo is saved just like a regular photo, but with extra life in it. To view your live photo, go to the photo preview section at the bottom of the camera app and tap it. You'll see all your recent pictures there. That's it. With just a few taps, you've learned how to do live photos on Android. This is perfect for adding a little movement and magic to your memories. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.